Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a certified pre-owned 2020 Volvo XC90 T5 Momentum in Onyx black metallic with a charcoal interior. This all-wheel drive 7-seat SUV has less than 27,000 miles on it. It has automatic rain sensing wipers, auto high beam settings, pilot assist with adaptive cruise control, which is the semi-autonomous drive mode, allowing you to take your hands off the wheel and trust that the vehicle will stay in between the lines on the road and at a safe distance from the car in front of you. It has keyless entry, hands-free power liftgate. T5 means that this is a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine. Plenty of space in the back even with all 7 seats popped up. It has a giant panoramic sunroof with a power sunshade. "20-inch wheels. It has heated seats in the front, heated seats in the back, a heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, and you also get the center booster seat in the back here. Your climate control is here. It's a 4-way climate control situation. A little power. There's blind spot information system. I love this dark wood inlay with the metal piece. Very classic. Memory seating for 3. And if you don't need that booster, it does pop right down flat for you. You'll find the ignition switch here, along with your adjustable drive modes. So we'll twist that to the right, and you get to see all those safety features. Cup holders, little power. You can plug in here on the right for Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. It has navigation, super clear, easy to use. Your climate control is down here, and you can adjust the rear climate control from here as well. Pressing this button gets you back to this home screen, and if you press it too many times, it'll say slide. Your vehicle functions are here, that backup camera. This is where you'll be able to download whatever you'd like. Over here we have the, if you hit this, it'll be the auto rain sensing wipers, and that shows up here on your digital driver display if that's turned on. And then over here, this is your auto high beams. So if you click this up like that, once you're driving, your high beams will automatically go on and off with oncoming traffic, and it does actually turn off if you're approaching a house or street lights like that too. And then pilot assist, so if you're over here, you're driving and you set your cruise control, it won't be able to do it right now, but if you set your cruise control to the speed you like and then you hit the right arrow, that will get pilot assist up there, and once the steering wheel turns green, you know the car has control over your steering and your acceleration and braking. Well, this is stock number 633A. PortlandVolvo.com has all the details. I'll add a link in the description box below. We hope to see you soon. Schedule your test drive and get into this today. Thanks for watching from Portland Volvo.